Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to check your attendance using the Vanguard Student Portal. To begin, at the top of the search bar, we're going to type in mycampus.asub.edu. Then, on the right side, hit Login. Once you click that, you're going to go down to Student Portal homepage, and then click that. Once you're on the Student Portal homepage, this is where you will enter in your username and your password. Your username will always be your first name, period last name, and then the password you set. Once we're on the home page of your student portal, we're going to focus on the left side of the screen where it says Academics. Click that, and then go down to View Attendance, and then click View Attendance. Once you're on the View Attendance page, select the enrollment you want to view the attendance in. Then it should automatically select the term. Then, if you want to, you can choose the week you're trying to look up. Once you scroll down to the bottom, the classes you are currently in and the attendance rates should be at the bottom. Here we can see a table with the attendance rate, the current date, the day, the course start and end, the course title, and then the course with a link. As soon as we enter the View Attendance page, we can see this chart that says the start and end date, the date we last attended the class, and the percentage we were absent for this class. Scrolling down, you can see the class attendance section with the calendar with gray boxes. The gray boxes with color indicate the status. This is the main tool used when checking your attendance. You can go from previous month to next month when looking. That is how to check your attendance using the Vanguard Student Portal. If you have any other questions, please feel free to come by the Vanguard Technical Support Center, give us a call, or send us an email. Thank you, and have a great day.